Hey, Benny, sit in the chair. Now buckle up.
No, I want to buckle.
You want to buckle? Okay. Okay.
Now try and get up.
Unbuckle, come on. No, I said unbuckle. I said unbuckle. No, unbuckle. Unbuckle. Get the chair off your butt. There we go. That's better.
No, it's not.
Okay, I'm gonna try this at you. Ow, that hurt. That hurt.
Go on, do that jump.
Oh, my ankle. Human right there.
Benny, do it again.
It's a human.
Are you not human or something?
Ready? Start shaking. Shake it. Shake your booty.
No, shake it like you do at home. Come on.
Can you actually make
I'm
make the jump without hitting your
I'm
head?
gonna jump off this into a parkour roll and then do a backflip off that wall. There we go. Oh, I failed. Try it again.
That is what?
I didn't jump high enough. Okay.
Again, try to jump off, do a parkour roll, and do a backflip off
Okay,
there.
jump off, parkour roll, and do a backflip off that wall over there. There we go. Watch out,
Come on, you're better than that.
I know. I can't get my head. Oh my god.
Just jump like super high. How do you do that? Look at me.
See guys, that was episode funny stuff number 1. See you later. Peace. Sorry guys, we have one more funny scene to add into this video. Here we go.
Okay, jump off, parkour roll, backflip off the roll, right? There we go. Ow! Ow!
Oh god.
She was actually supposed to do a parkour roll and backflip.
Cut
Oh.
that from the video. Cut that from the video.
No,
Cut that
I'm
from the
keeping
video.
it. I'm keeping it.
Cut it from the video.
Bye.